In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching email newsletter using Canva and Mailchimp. We'll walk through each step to ensure that you can craft a professional and engaging newsletter with ease. First up, let's dive into Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an incredibly intuitive and powerful design tool that's perfect for creating stunning visuals, even if you're not a seasoned graphic designer. Once you've opened Canva, go ahead and select the email newsletter template from their template library. This is a great starting point. It provides a pre-formatted layout specifically designed for newsletters, making it easier for you to just plug in your content and customize it to fit your brand. Now comes the fun part, designing your template. Think about the main focus of your newsletter. What information are you trying to convey to your audience? Use that as your guide to curate the content and visuals you'll add. Canva offers a plethora of images, icons, and fonts. You can also upload your own images or graphics if you have specific branding elements you want to include. Remember, consistency is key, so try to stick to your brand colors and fonts to make your newsletter recognizable to your audience. As you arrange the elements, aim for a balance between text and imagery. You want it to be appealing without overwhelming the reader. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download it. In the top right corner of Canva, there's a download button. Click that and select either PNG or JPEG for the format. These options provide high-quality images that will look crisp and clear in your email. Make sure your design is downloaded and saved securely on your device. With your newly designed template ready, let's switch over to Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account and get started on creating a new email campaign. If you're new to Mailchimp, don't worry, it's user-friendly and guides you through the process. Go to the Campaigns tab, then select Create Campaign and choose Email. Give your campaign a name so that you can easily identify it later. Once you're in the email editor, it's time to incorporate your Canva masterpiece. Choose the option to add an image block into your email, then upload and insert your Canva design. Make sure the image is aligned perfectly and fits in with your email's general layout. Finally, enhance your newsletter by adding any extra text or buttons directly within Mailchimp. These can be calls to action, links to your website, or any additional information you want your readers to engage with. Use Mailchimp's text and button blocks to seamlessly integrate these elements into your design, and there you have it. You now know how to create an engaging email newsletter combining Canva's design power and Mailchimp's user-friendly email tools.